Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to remove your Snapchat login details, login information from any device. So in this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, first you need to open your Snapchat on your phone. After opening, in the top left side corner of your screen you can get your contact icon. Just tap on it. From here open the settings. In the settings, scroll down, you can get the option at the end, save login info. Just tap on it, and here you can get your all device where your Snapchat login details was saved. As you can see guys, here in my case there is showing only one device, so this is my device. So if you want to remove it, just tap on that red circle like this. From here you can easily able to delete that login details from that device. So this is the very easy and very simple method to find out and delete your saved login details of your Snapchat account. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.